Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with Essentials. Make sure Copilot is active in your IDE and you are signed into GitHub. Next, pick a single, small function to test so feedback is focused and fast. Create a new test file next to the source using your test runner naming convention. Once done, type a brief test description or function call comment. Copilot will propose a scaffold. You will accept or edit suggestions. This begins the iterative test writing loop and saves time. You now guide Copilot with clear prompts. Include sample inputs, expected outputs, and at least one edge case. When Copilot generates test code, accept the parts that match and edit assertions where needed. Do not blindly copy. Run the test suite immediately so you can see failing behavior and iterate. If a dependency is external, add a mock or stub in the test. Make sure to expand cases for boundary values, so your tests cover intended. You finish by cleaning up tests. Rename for clarity, remove duplication, and ensure setup/teardown is explicit so future contributors understand intent. Commit small, focused test changes with a clear message. If something breaks, isolate the failing test and reproduce it with a minimal example to determine whether the issue is in code, test, or Copilot suggestion. One key tip: if outputs differ, assert intermediate values. This helps pinpoint whether logic or test expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.